As you know, our president, co-founder, and CEO, Joe Muselli, is a registered nurse. Under Joe's direction, we have designed the FlashCure UV Lash Extension System to be safe and effective. It's going to revolutionize the way you do lashes. Let's get started. Our FlashCure UV Lash Extension System Essentials Kit includes our FlashCure UV Lash Extension Light, 8 pairs of our silicone upper and lower eyelid patches, eyelash primer, multi-purpose wipes, our FlashCure Lash Extension Adhesive, along with lash extension adhesive rings, and our square well adhesive trays. Our FlashCure UV Lash Extension Cleanse, Prime, and Prep Restock Kit includes lash palettes, lash grids, both upper and lower silicone eye patches, medicine cups, alcohol prep pads, our flex tip applicators, long tipped applicators, lint-free applicators, along with cosmetic sponges, eye makeup remover and facial cleanser, multi-purpose wipes, our square well adhesive trays, and our lash extension adhesive rings. Our FlashCure UV Lash Extension Adhesive and Eyelash Primer Kit includes eyelash primer, FlashCure UV Lash Extension Adhesive, and multi-purpose wipes. We've created these kits to take the guesswork out of what you'll need to get started to use our FlashCure UV Lash Extension system. The Essentials Kit provides you with everything you'll need to get started. The Restock Kit conveniently contains all of the disposable items that you will need for your applications, and when combined with the Adhesive and Primer Kit, you'll have everything you need to create designer lashes that last. Although it's not part of our FlashCure kits, we recommend that you use our Lashista LED light as your overhead lighting. The Lashista LED light is not included as part of these kits because most stylists already received one in their kit from their training program. So if you don't have one, be sure to pick one up. For your convenience, we've added these iridescent stickers to products that are a part of the FlashCure UV Lash Extension system. All of these supplies are intended for professional use only, so make sure you keep them away from children and pets.